Look at my earnings. Today I have earned $11. Yesterday I have earned $17. And here you can see this month's earnings. I have earned $69. And here you can see last month earnings. I have earned $208. Guys, if you also want to earn money from Google Admob, then you should watch this full video all the way until the end. First of all, let me refresh this page. Guys, it's 100% real earnings. Maybe you know Google Admob is Google's product. Google Admob is 100% trusted network. Minimum payout is $100. Once your earning will reach minimum $100, then Google will directly transfer money into your bank account. Guys, here you can see proof. Google has transferred $124.61. I have hidden my account number and some of my details. Guys, you can also earn lot of money from Google Admob. Only you will have to make game or app. You can make game application using Game Maker software, GDevelop software, Unity software, and Go.Engine. Guys, there are a lot of software available on Google to make game. In first step, you will have to make game or app. In second step, you will have to add ad unit on your game to run Admob ads. And in third step, you will have to publish your game. You can publish your game on Google Play Store, Amazon App Store, Oppo App Store, Samsung Galaxy App Store, Vivo App Store, and MI App Store. As you can see here, I have published my game on Amazon App Store. And here you can see approval status. My game is ready to show Admob ads. Guys, you will have to complete only 3 steps to earn money. Here you can see Admob ads is running on my game. Once someone will click on this ad, then I will earn money. It's one of the easiest way to earn high amount of money. Guys, if you want to learn more about Admob ads, then watch this video right here. I hope you found this video at all helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.